Hello everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my week 2 video for immersive application deployment. This is term 1507. So this week's video is about what we're going to be doing next week for the game, which is implementing leaderboards. So I got 3 questions here that were posed by the instructor. And what system do you plan on using? Now I think the simplest way to implement a leaderboard for me will be using the native game center that's incorporated into iOS and Xcode. So I think that's what I'm actually going to do, because it has, usually I find relying on the built-in resources is actually more convenient and easier to develop for the game. What types of filters do you plan on employing? I don't plan on doing anything other than what's built in into the game center. So from the lessons, there's gonna be like a region filter and high scores for the day and for the month and stuff like that. So that's pretty much the native filters of Game Center, and I think that's pretty useful for most users, which generally I want to target for this game. It doesn't have to be anything specific, and especially because of the simplicity of the game. The other thing about the game too, its simplicity, relates to the next question, where it says, how many leaderboards do you plan on using? I'm just doing one. Right now, the game has one level, it does one thing, and it only has 2 different types of scoring in it. One is the score you get from how many bubbles that you burst, or balloons, excuse me, and the second score is your accuracy. So those are the only 2 things that the user has to worry about, staying on top of. And I don't think it would be sensible to actually give them to bombard the user with 1,000 filters and different types of scoring that they do need. So just the 2 that apply to the game, and it should suit them just fine. That was another thing that I wanted to talk about too, which I actually just mentioned. It's the type of scoring. So I only have 2 for the game, and that's what I'm gonna go with. So that's pretty much all I have. My name is Shawn Batchelor. This is the week 2 video for immersive application deployment, term 1507. Thank you very much.